Alden, it's your update. Yan, ID story ni Alden. Yan, OOTD ni Alden. Yan, pagbabalik niya sa All Out Sundays. Yan, naka-red, saka black siya. So, ito pa yung aabangan kay Alden at Julia Barreto for Casino Plus. Yan, sa Valentine's Day. So, nalagay dito, hindi pa naman nasasabi ang lahat. Pero ngayong Valentine's Day, maniniwala kami may happy ending. So, ito pa, abangan din. So, for the Hungry Titan endorsement ni Alden. And sa lagay dito, in a relationship with blank, stay tuned to get excited for upcoming announcement with Alden, you know. So, ito pa yung nag-marathon. And nag-jogging sila Alden Richard, Barbie Fortesa, at Christopher Martin dyan sa Ayala Avenue. And nag-enjoy dyan ng mag-best friend, yung tatlo. So, ito yung pod ni Alden. Babalik sa All Out Sunday niya. And the Alden Supremacy. Ang laban ni Alden. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Victoria Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more updates. See ya.